So I figured it'd be a good idea to make a video on how you can iron just, a regular plain white t-shirt. And even though there's videos already out there on YouTube, there's not a video that I've made on it. So, because, I did the 501s video, I did the Dickies video, but that's like pretty advanced stuff. And I figured, why not take it back to basics? Especially considering that, there's people out there that probably don't even know how to iron, but they want to learn how to. So pretty much, you gotta start off simple and then build your way up to it. So right here, I got a Pro Club. Let me turn this around. Got a Pro Club, heavyweight, size medium, cotton. So pretty much just get your iron, put it on cotton. Oh, mine's not even on cotton. There you go. So now put it on cotton. Sorry if you can't see that, but put it on cotton because Pro Clubs and Shakas are made out of cotton. So in this video, I'm gonna use a white one. Pretty much similar process if you have a black one or etc. Now, I mean, you could do this, spin it any way you want, but I usually start like this. So I'll stretch it out like this. And now what you want to do first, just run your hands through it and make sure that it's flat completely before you iron it. Now, one thing I would say that I highly recommend is to not use steam, because if you think about it, it's pretty much the same as, let's say, washing your 501s. When you once you the more you wash your 501s, the more and more it's going to age quickly. And what's steam? Steam is water. So that's why if you guys have seen my 501s video or my Dickies video, I say don't iron with steam, because that's going to make your clothes age faster. And you always want to, make your clothes last as long as possible. So I would recommend not using steam. If you use steam, it'll really just save you a couple extra minutes. It'll just get the job done faster, but it's going to age your clothes faster. So that's why I would not recommend it. And without steam, it'll just take a little more work just to, get certain wrinkles out. But hey, why not just use that? It'll pay off in the long run. So now what you want to do is you just want to begin to pretty much flatten it down. And you always want to iron kind of in one direction so that your clothes doesn't wrinkle. Now, if I could give you an example, I would try. See how right there, I kind of messed it up right there. That's because I'm not taking my time and I'm not going gently enough. So that if you do things like that, that's going to mess you up. So now, if that does happen, you kind of just want to go against it. And then see, I messed it up again right there. So you definitely got to be patient with it. Take your time. And then you could see, even though I fixed it, you can still see a mark right there because, you created like a more of a permanent wrinkle. But you want to take your time with it. Be gentle. Got to be gentle with it, just like the girls that you're going to pull from getting this white tee. Because once you throw in that fresh white tee, it's game over. Especially if it's freshly pressed. Damn. Cougar action. That was one of the comments in my last video. It's crazy. I remember when I first started doing this, it was mostly like cougars, but now since it's become more of a trend, it's just like, I can't even help it, But yeah. Now that's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty flat, pretty flattened down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it to the opposite side. Same side, but on the other side. Same, or I guess not same side, but the same part of the, oh, damn. Yep, see, I just realized this. I didn't even notice this. Got dirty right there. I don't even know how that happened, but it happens. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to bleach that out, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna keep it rolling. And I'm gonna repeat the process. Also, big shout out to Pro Club and Shaka. If you guys want to sponsor me, hit your boy up in the DMs. Because I am your #1 advocator. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell in the video, but just from this part alone, I can clearly see a difference from this section right here compared to this section. It's definitely flatter. It's definitely smoother and nicer. Trust me, this is gonna give you, when you're dressed and you walk outside and you compare yourself to other people, you're definitely gonna be one step above them. Like, let's just keep it real, you know? You're more presentable. People are gonna notice it, and they're gonna be able to tell that you take care of yourself. You know, you take pride in your clothes and the way you look and your appearance. Now, don't get me wrong, you know, the best thing you can do for your appearance is go to the gym, but then the next level after that would be your clothes. So, your apparel. Which I think also has a lot to do with why I started wearing a size medium instead of a size extra large, because I put on some weight ever since I started going to the gym, and you know, you got to be able to show off that body, and I won't be able to do it with the extra large shirt. So now I'm gonna move down. So I'm just gonna gently slide it down. And now I'm gonna start ironing this part. Now this part, you usually want to iron it like that, up and down. Flatten it out. See, now just going over it a couple of times, you can already see a difference compared to here and here. You could already see the difference. And sorry about that stain. That is bugging me heavily right now, but it is what it is. There you go. And now I'm going to flip it to the other side again. So I can finish off that. I am not liable for any pregnancies that may occur because of this video, because I showed you how to iron your shirt, and yeah, that's not liable. Fair disclaimer right now. So here you go. Like I said, always run your hands through it, make sure everything's flat before you iron it. Sorry if the ironing board is super loud. I do apologize. So now, most of this is visual learning. You know, you just kind of got to see it to understand, but I'll try my best to explain it in words. Don't iron on top of the collar yet. That's kind of its own thing. Then, damn, see, you can mess it up right there. Gotta fix that. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit the collar real quick. Collar's a little thicker, so gotta take your time with it. Now that's looking good, so we're gonna do the opposite side. But unfortunately, they do not allow white tees in the club because they know what happens when you bring that fresh white to the club. They know already, you know. Somebody's getting knocked up. They just had to stop it, you know? I don't even blame them. I didn't even know that until I tried walking into the club with the white team one time and told me I couldn't come in. And when I asked them why, and then they just said, "Nah, bro, you know the white tea's too fresh. You know, um, sorry, but you're gonna have to leave some girls for the rest of them in there. You know, that's how we keep our business going." And I was like, "Oh man, you know, don't even trip. I appreciate it. You know, I just so yeah, I ended up going in there shirtless. You know, we ball." Nah, but all jokes aside, I'm pretty sure it's because it's considered gang attire, I guess. But whatever. No, it's not like that anymore. You know, it's more of it's become more socially acceptable and more of a style. Okay, so now that's looking good. Now I'm going to move on to the sleeve. Make sure that that's flat. Down. Sleeves are a bit, probably the only part that's actually a bit tricky. I mean, at least it was for me when I first started ironing. Damn, is my finger like, is this stuck on my finger? Oh no, okay, cool. Thought I was dead for a second. All right. But yeah, just want to hit it like this. Simple. Just run through in different directions, you know. Put any spin you want to it. See right here, you kind of don't want stuff like that to happen, ideally. And if you guys, so if you guys are like just learning how to iron, don't ever leave your iron on top of your shirt or on top of your pants or whatever it is you may be ironing. Don't ever do that. That's how you start a house fire. Okay, well, I'm exaggerating. That's not how you start a fire, but you'll definitely ruin the iron and your clothes. And that's really it. That's it. You're good to go. You got the fresh white tee. Now it's all pressed up. Let me know what other recommendations you guys, or if you guys have any questions, you know, leave it in the comment section or even DM me if you want to. My Instagram will be in the description. And let me know any video recommendations you guys want to see. If you guys want to see, you know, how to iron FB counties or how to iron a Charlie Brown like the one I have on right now, or crease a Ben Davis or whatever it is, you know, that it may be. I'll be getting to all the ones that I, you know, previously got recommended. I just thought, you know, for this one, for my comeback, because I haven't made a video in a while, you know, I'll bring it back to the basics. Just do the basic YT, you know, because you got to start, you know, simple and build your way up, like I said. So, but anyways, good night, guys, and God bless you all.